Did you know that certain drinks can boost your brain even after the age of 50? The health of our brain is paramount, especially as we advance in years. Nutrition significantly influences our cognitive abilities and mental acuity, helping to keep our minds sharp and efficient. This is why we're delving into the top 5 brain-boosting drinks you should consider incorporating into your daily routine once you hit your 50s. Stay tuned to discover these refreshing, nutritious beverages that can help keep your brain sharp. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have green tea. This humble brew is more than just a comforting hot drink. Packed with antioxidants, green tea works overtime to protect your brain cells from free radicals. The star player, however, is L-theanine, a rare amino acid that encourages alpha brainwave activity, enhancing your focus while soothing stress. Studies suggest green tea could even bolster memory and protect against brain diseases. So next time you're considering a hot drink, why not opt for a cup of green tea? Coming in at number 4, blueberry smoothies are a refreshing option. Blueberries, tiny as they are, pack a punch with their high antioxidant content. These antioxidants have the potential to delay brain aging and enhance memory, making blueberries a superfood for your cognitive health. Now, imagine blending these little powerhouses into a smoothie. You get a delicious, brain-boosting beverage that's as enjoyable as it is beneficial. So the next time you're looking for a tasty treat, why not whip up a blueberry smoothie? With a blueberry smoothie, you can enjoy a tasty treat that also benefits your brain. At number 3, we have turmeric tea. This golden brew packs a punch with its active ingredient, curcumin. Not only does curcumin have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, but it also has the unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. This trait makes it an exceptional ally in our quest for better brain health. It has shown potential in improving memory and decreasing the risk of brain diseases. So, what's the takeaway? Consider adding a cup of turmeric tea to your daily routine for a brain-boosting benefit. At the runner-up spot, we have beetroot juice. This vibrant red elixir is a powerful brain booster. Its secret lies in the high levels of nitrates that help increase blood flow to the brain, potentially improving cognitive function. But that's not all. Beetroot juice also boasts a rich supply of antioxidants, combating free radicals and supporting overall brain health. So, if you're looking for a brain-boosting beverage, don't forget about beetroot juice. A glass of beetroot juice a day could be just what your brain needs. And finally, the number 1 drink to boost your brain after 50 is water. That's right, the simplest and most accessible of all beverages is also the most essential for our brain health. Our brain is about 75% water, and maintaining that balance is crucial for optimal cognitive function. Dehydration can have serious implications for our brain health. It can lead to issues like impaired memory, reduced attention span, and mood fluctuations. When our brain lacks adequate hydration, it has to work harder to accomplish the same tasks, which can result in mental fatigue and decreased productivity. But the good news is, staying hydrated is an easy fix. Regular intake of water not only keeps our bodies functioning smoothly, but it also aids in nutrient transportation, toxin elimination, and overall mental clarity. So the next time you reach for a drink, make it a point to choose water. Remember, nothing can replace the importance of water, so keep yourself hydrated for a sharp and healthy brain.